I don't mean to flip him up like I did, but I didn't want him popping off by the water. Nice, Smalley. Chill out, buddy. Chill out, buddy. Chill out. Woo! Not huge, but we caught that on tape.